Hey everyone, my name is Lindsay Rozier and I'm the girl behind Sell, Eat, Love. And what you might not know is I have been in both your shoes as a buyer and on the other side of the table here at Atlanta Apparel. Today I'm going to be sharing 3 tips to help you get prepared for your next buying trip here in Atlanta. First and foremost, make sure you're following Atlanta Apparel on Instagram and through their new website. This is a one-stop shop for all the resources that you need to have a successful buying trip. Also, make sure you pre-register. I promise it'll make your life so much easier. You'll be able to get into the mart more quickly, have your digital badge, and be able to make your first appointment right on time. And don't forget to check out on Instagram all about the free buyer parking. Lastly, make sure you set appointments. It is both beneficial for you and the showroom. It helps you maximize your time and get around the showroom in a timely manner. While making your appointment, take advantage of asking budget questions and seeing what you spent on said brand last year or what deliveries that they're going to be showing. I hope these tips have been beneficial, and we are so excited to see you here in Atlanta, and we hope you have a very successful buying trip.